So I want to upload one photo like this photo, and when I'm trying to upload that time showing like this type of problem. Basically this is our hosting problem. I think this is our hosting problem. So if you want to resolve this, so first you need to change your browser. Go to your file manager, and here find out your domain. Like this is my subdomain, and here my folder, subdomain folder, or here my this website. I want to upload my photo in this website, and select here as you can see this WP content button, and you need to find out this upload, like this, upload it and upload, and here your date, like this is 2020, that's why click on this. Then you'll show your date like this, today. Just click on here and click on upload. Select your file, which photo you want to upload here. I just select my one photo. It's take some minutes or some seconds. Or if you want to upload in another photo, I want to upload like this photo, it's already have in my hosting, that's why it's showing like this. So this process you can upload your photo. So I hope you understand that how to solve this type of error messages. Okay, thanks for watching.